Product claims and making product claims are a big part of how you sell. And the FDA likes to keep a close eye on the types of claims we make. Sarah, do you have anything you'd like to add or any questions you have?
I have a lot of questions.
Who cares about the FDA? I know the products have cured me of so many things, including my hairy backitis, so I can really say anything I want.
No. Clearly, this guy cannot be trusted. Little Lucifer over here. In reality, the FDA oversees public health. They make sure that all the foods, drugs, medical devices, biscuits, crackers, nummies, all your favorite treats, Pepsi even, are manufactured and sold safely. Companies and distributors who break FDA rules and regulations risk facing fines. I'm looking at you. And legal action. No bueno. We want to avoid that, like we want to avoid his back hair.
Pretty sure this one knows what she's talking about. Tell me more.
Okay, nerds. This is how you really sell these products, okay? Be sure to make sure that you make big claims about the products, okay? Make sure that you say that they cure diseases, okay? That will for sure sell lots of products and the FDA won't even care. I also like to tell everybody that I lost 100 pounds in 2 months with it, just to hit a real home run, you know what I'm saying? The FDA loves what I do so much, they keep sending me love letters with a fine in there. I never write them back. They probably feel like a jilted girlfriend.
Okay, yeah, cool. That's exactly what not to do. Why don't we check in over here with our angel on the real story on how to share products?
Everyone has their very own personal, powerful story that they can share confidently. All stories are beautiful, including yours. It just may take a little bit of help from your compliance team to learn how to share it properly. I always like to start by saying how much more energy I have with the products, even chasing this little wrangler around. You could say things like,
don't you know, with the Singular system, I was able to lose a good amount of weight, and I finally fit into my old favorite pair of jeans. You know, the ones with the bedazzling on them.
Or perhaps you could say, I more easily run around with my little kitties and I have fun with them on the summer weekends. Or perhaps you could say,
I've got less stress, and I feel so much more confident.
examples like these work really terrifically well, and your customers will have a better understanding of the power of Singular products.
I'm not responsible for that possession.
I take full responsibility.
That was perfect. Thank you. Sarah, I hope that was helpful for you.
Oh, extremely helpful. I have a much better idea now how to share my own product story.
Fantastic. Remember, making product claims can be easy and fun, and your compliance team is there to help you with your story. Reach out to them for support and enjoy growing your business.